Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DRich Show, where we talk anything and everything crypto. Now, here's your host, DRich.
Hey everybody, welcome to the DRich Show. This is DRich. Today is March 11th, 2021. Happy Thursday, guys. How's everybody doing today? Hoping that everybody's doing well wherever they may be here in the United States, whatever, part of the globe you are. I hope you're doing well. Eurozone, UK, Canada, Africa, Australia, wherever you might be. I hope that you're doing well. You're in good spirits. And to all of my subscribers, I just want to give you guys a personal thank you for tuning into my videos and tuning into the channel, whether you tune in on BitTube, YouTube, Anchor.fm, or my iTunes podcast, things like that. So thank you so much for always contributing with the likes, the comments, the the subscribership in general. We did reach over 100. So, thank you to all of you. So anyway, today we're going to be talking about a comment that Brad Garlinghouse had made some time ago, where people believed that XRP was being dumped on the market and how it did not make sense. But I also wanted to point out a specific quote in this article and how it relates to the new system, parallel economy that's being put in place as we transition from traditional market to the new crypto market, and kind of give you a little perspective on how that happened before when they introduced the petrodollar system, and try to see if we could connect some dots there, if it makes any sense. And then we're also going to talk about some other comments that Brad had made about Ripple possibly going away, and how XRP still would exist and trade no matter what the outcome of the SEC's decision would be. And then we're also going to get into, could Dogecoin reach $1, and how some crypto experts say not so fast with that idea there. And then also want to introduce to you guys sign up for the Security Token Summit. I was invited via email, and it's a free summit where you can kind of tune in to see what's going on with blockchain crypto. And then your favorite crypto mom, Hester Pierce, will be a part of that summit. So anyway, we're going to get right into the coin market cap. Bitcoin's dominance is at 61.4%, Ethereum at 11.9%, Bitcoin trading at $57,292, and Ethereum at 1803. Okay, and we got Binance Coin 289.76. Well, it's moving as we are recording live at the moment, and it did cross over $300. So congratulations to CZ and them with the Binance Coin. And Cardano is at number 5 at $1.12, down 4% in the last 24 hours. And again, guys, if you guys are Cardano accumulators, I think this would be a good entry point, where you can dollar cost average, and you can kind of still get one for one, as you can see other assets greatly appreciating. So the more that you have in your portfolio or holding, the greater return. So keep that in mind when you are accumulating. I'm not saying that you don't, but the more the better. Polkadot is at number 6, $37.12, and XRP is at 45 cents. We don't know what way we're going to go at this moment, but it doesn't matter. You can still have a 2-for-1, a little bit over 2-for-1 entry point when it comes to XRP. So if you're still accumulating, then I think that you need to kind of take advantage of these low prices while they still last. Uniswap at number 8, $31.25. Litecoin at number 9, $199.42. And then we got Chainlink rounding out the top 10, a little bit under $30, $29.47. Kind of in the red a little bit, but not too much. Overall, in the last 7 days, we have seen, as you can see, some green. That theta. Whoa. If you are a holder of theta, you know what? You better be, oof. I can tell you right now, I'm going to give a big shout out to Crypto Mike, because Crypto Mike put me on theta. Again, listen to Crypto Mike. Like I said before, I don't always take financial advice, but when I do, it will be from Crypto Mike there. So, he got that microphone check, 1 2 1 2. So anyway, guys, Dogecoin right there. We're going to be talking about that here in a little bit. It's still up over 14%, 5.5 cents. And, you can look at the market and see, what's going on in the market. So, yeah, try to accumulate, try to get it, as much as you possibly can, because once this stuff starts moving, you have, what they call first movers advantage. You have, early knowledge of, already have tested the waters, or have already gotten used to how crypto works. Hopefully you're on this stuff like I am every single day, almost every single minute, trying to figure out how to, strategize and take advantage of everything. And even with that theta fuel, I did pick up me some of that. So that is doing well in my portfolio with theta along with that. And you know what? This Chili's, I also pointed that out not too long ago. It's up 40%, 187% in the last 7 days. So, there's some gems out there, guys. There's some pretty good opportunities to build up your portfolios. Zelica is up 23% in the last 24 hours. Engine Coin, oh my. I really don't like to go look at my ledger, but maybe I might have to go take a peek, because whenever I put stuff on there, and I've put stuff on there from long ago, I really try not to, get distracted by that. I just look at my BitTrue on my phone, and we just look at that portfolio and, my hot bit, and, the other ones, like I have Celsius and, things like that to get my staking rewards and all that other stuff. But my ledger, I really try not to go on there. I try not to look at that thing. But anyway, guys, we're going to get into this article from AMB Crypto. This was written last year, November 14th, and this is by the same person. I don't want to butcher her name. So if you guys are talking to her on, crypto Twitter or whatnot, don't tell on me. But she's also, she's been doing a very good job with the articles. She helps me out, so I can go ahead and, use her articles as, talking points, I guess. Flooding the markets harms XRP ledger and makes no sense, says Ripple exec. Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, made waves across crypto Twitter recently after he claimed that XRP is to Ripple what Exxon is to oil on a podcast. And the reason why I wanted to use this article is because of this comment and statement right here. Ripple is what Exxon is to oil. Okay? And that's the XRP. XRP is the oil. XRP is like, I guess when you go back when they were building the new system before they came off the gold standard, they were getting ready with the petrodollar, where everything would be used. The dollar would be the currency, and gold, but the oil would be purchased with the US dollar, and so on and so forth. So that's kind of where we're moving to, if you want to say that. So this comment is, a different analogy, as you can see right here, which is interesting. Turn of phrase to say at the least. However, what is even more interesting is that when the host interceded by pointing out that ExxonMobil did not create the commodity oil in the same way that Ripple created XRP, the Ripple exec responded by claiming that Ripple did not, in fact, create XRP. As we know that XRP was actually gifted to them. He went on to say that the same can be proved by the date of incorporation of the company, which was called OpenCoin at the time in September 2012, while the first XRP transaction, 100 billion XRP, took place way back in June 2012. Garlinghouse also attacked those who have often claimed that Ripple is in the business of dumping XRP with the exact comedy. People like to create narratives out there. People like to say that Ripple is dumping XRP. It's the absolute opposite. We've gone above and beyond the lockup XRP, and we don't sell our XRP in the open markets. We only sell it to our customers. Well, I was able to buy some in the open market. But anyway, I just wanted to point that out, as you know, you could read the rest of the article if you never read it before. But I wanted to point this one key thing out as we get ready to transition. Okay, XRP is the liquidity. Okay, it's the oil. It's like the, I guess, petrodollar attached to a specific type of precious metal, perhaps. You decide. It's all in reverse. Everything is going in reverse as we get ready to transition. Anyway, Brad Garlinghouse, XRP trading cannot be stopped. And Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said that the U.S. SEC allegations claiming that the firm took part in an illegal securities offering is definitely misguided. During an Axios on HBO interview, he explained that it doesn't have the hallmark features of a security. Okay, XRP is not a security, Brad Garlinghouse says, and that the lawsuit is, he thinks, is a little bit misguided, and that the idea of XRP being a security has trading out there for over 8 years, and if it was a security, I guess they should have known that a long time ago. And guys, that is the truth. You know, we all who have an invested interest in XRP, not necessarily Ripple, the company. We do want Ripple to be successful, but most definitely we got it into it because of what the potential of XRP has, as far as a use case, as far as, you know, a real life use case per se. Brad Garlinghouse continued, and he also said that if you own a security, it gives you ownership of a company. And if Ripple goes away, XRP is still going to be trading. Many countries around the world, the UK, Japan, Switzerland, Singapore, they all have clarity and certainty that XRP is not a security. In fact, the United States is the only country on the planet that has suggested that XRP is a security. Well, guys, if you guys live in the great old United States like myself here, you know, the United States likes to do things kind of backwards, you know, and, you know, they stifle innovation, they overregulate, and, you know, it hurts the people, okay, and that's why we are only getting 9% of their stimulus check. But anyway, if you do get that stimulus check, by the way, do something positive with it. Get ready for, you know, I'm seeing people who invested their first stimulus, you know, making great returns. I think if they invested, you know, their entire stimulus on Cardano at that point, which was, I think, 16,000, are now sitting on $42,000 of Cardano. I'm not sure if the math is correct. Don't quote me on that. But again, do what you need to do. Take care of your stuff. If you need to take care of some stuff, I know it's not enough. But you know what? There's going to be enough here shortly if you hang on to your XRP token. All right. I'll get out of this article and get into this next one. And this is coming from Benzinga. Why crypto experts can't see Dogecoin hitting $1 despite Elon Musk and a Mark Cuban backing. I know that we've gone over this for the last few days on the channel. But you know what? When people are saying that it can't happen, you know, there's always going to be those who say yes and those who say no. But that's up to you to decide as an investor, and you decide where you fall in regards to investing in Dogecoin. Some key points here. Experts have their say on the matter. Reality Bites, Kadan, Stedelman, Chief Technology Officer at Komodo, a blockchain solution provider, said that on the topic of Doge reaching $1, we aren't currently seeing this, even with increased adoption by Mark Cuban and other NBA owners, Cointelegraph reported. Dogecoin, crypto Doge, DOGE, will not find it easy to reach the dollar mark, even as the Joe cryptocurrency attracts a celebrity fan following extending from Tesla Inc., NASDAQ TSLA, CEO Elon Musk to Snoop Dogg. Cuban, whose Mavericks basketball team has started accepting Dogecoin as payment for tickets and merchandise, thinks Doge has an educational role to play as it can teach people the economics of supply and demand. Okay. Guys, I want to know what you think. Leave me some comments in the description. I will respond. Do you think Dogecoin can reach $1? This is my personal opinion. I've seen Dogecoin way at the bottom. Okay. So at the end of the day, it's now at 5.5 cents. Anything is possible if you believe in it. Okay. I think that it can reach $1, and more people will come into the fold. And again, we've gone over this numerous times in regards to Dogecoin, the philanthropy, their donations, their causes around the world, in regards to water supply in other areas. Their foundation is just great in regards to their cause for humanity. Then you also have like your tipping services. This thing is going to be way more than we can imagine. And like they said, it can be a teaching point when it comes to different type of financial education. Okay. Some say that the math doesn't add up. Stadelman brought up the amount of Doge minted each day, which is 10,000 per minute, or 14.4 million per day, or 5.2 billion per year. The yearly uptick represents just over 4% of the total circulating supply of 128 million or billion Doge. The Joe cryptocurrency needs 806,000 of new fiat plus existing inflow to maintain its value of nearly 5.5 cents at press. Doge co-founding Bill Marcus said last month that for Doge to reach $1 would take market capitalization in excess of actual companies that provide services to millions, like Boeing, Starbucks, and American Express. Hint, hint. Is that a hint? I don't know. Doge is fun and games. Joel Egerton, Chief Operation Officer of Bitflyer, a cryptocurrency exchange, told Cointelegraph that Doge is more for fun rather than solving real life problems, and its value remains unproven. So guys, if some people think it might not solve a real life problem, who knows? Okay. Any asset can reach a certain price target if people are willing to pay for it. However, that type of momentum investing without underlying value is pure speculation. Okay, so guys, you guys do your own research. I hold a lot of Dogecoin, and I love Dogecoin. It's gained me a significant return in my portfolio. It's outperformed a lot of other assets. Now, when you are investing, again, do your own due diligence. It's always safe to say, accumulate enough where you are at a point where if it goes one way or the other, you're in good shape. Okay, don't put in more than you are willing to lose. For me, I'm almost willing to lose it all because I do have faith in a lot of cryptocurrencies and the transitional economy, which is the people's economy. As soon as people begin to realize that and know that crypto is probably going to have more bang for their buck in the long run, as their value increases for their worth of the dollar or whatever fiat currency you're currently using in your country. So anyway, guys, you do your own due diligence and your own research. But, you know, again, this is going to never be financial advice. And most definitely, I'm not a financial advisor. As always, I always give you things that work for me. And if they don't work for me, I'm not going to ever mention them. I will mention them so that you can kind of stay away from them and learn from, you know, hopefully learn from my experiences, where you don't have to go down that route and make the same mistakes. So if I can teach you something to stay away from, I hope I can do that. But anyway, lastly, I wanted to talk to you guys about this email that I received. But it's, you know, you go to their website, it's still pretty much the same thing. The Security Token Summit, which is 2021, March 25th, which is a couple Thursdays away from here, at 8:30 a.m. to March 25th. You can register absolutely for free. Okay, they'll ask you to put in your email. This is hosted by Draper Goren Home, and as you can see, we talked about Hester Pierce being a part of this, and this is going to be produced by the Blockchain Venture Studio, Draper Goren Home. Security Token Summit is a high-end security token and digital securities focused event. It also features a robust agenda spanning a variety of themes such as custody, compliance, regulation, investing, marketing, tokenization standards, issuance, and real estate. Okay, so if you guys want to be a speaker, you can speak there. I'm not going to be a speaker because that's just not ready for me yet. But, you know, this is something that if you guys are interested in, I would say get in there and look at it. You got some speakers, like I said, Hester Pierce, Tom Emmer, Keith Smith, Danya Dumbrill, all these people here will be speaking at the summit. So I'm going to be signing up for this. I just want to put that out there for you. So if you guys are interested, take advantage of, you know, learning something absolutely free, getting more knowledge, and getting more, you know, answers to your questions that you might have from other people besides, you know, people on YouTube who do their own research, give you their own analogies, such as myself or other, you know, content creators. This is all it is we're all here to speculate. We're all here to, you know, gain knowledge as well as information, and pass it along as best as possible, because it's always important to share what we know. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Have a great rest of your Thursday. We'll be back tomorrow with another video as usual, with another happy Friday. I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, guys, take care of yourselves. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, as well as that notification bell. And again, thank you for my subscribers. God bless, take care, and as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.